Hello, I've got to do some bird feeding today. I've got some fruit punch, soda, some Reese's, pasta, mac and cheese, ham, some breading chicken, some popcorn, water, and a couple pieces of chicken wings that I broke up because I'm so afraid that the crows are having trouble flying away with these big things. But anyways, one day I saw a crow land on the street with one. Usually they fly all the way across the field and out into the distance, all the way over there. But not this one. And I slowed it down so you can see it. But I just want to know if that's really what happened, like it had trouble flying away with it, or if it was deliberately trying to let the other crow fly away with it. I'm going to start feeding the birds. Here we go. As you can see, there's barely any food left. There's just lots of popcorn, pasta left, and Reese's, but there was barely any meat left because the cats ate it all. But that just comes to show that some of these birds just come in at a certain time. They expect to see the food at a certain time. If not, they just go and eat somewhere else. So I was late because, I was late feeding the birds. And here's lots and lots of birds flying down, eating some insects. Lots of starlings over there. Eating some nice, tasty insects. Yeah, that's pretty good. So, yeah, see all of them? They all kind of flew away. But I haven't seen any crows in like hours. So, I mean, they're long gone. They were there, they were around here at 7 calling away. But, yeah, I'm about out of batteries, so I gotta cut this short. So I'm just gonna put all this back in the fridge, and I'll just continue this tomorrow.